right. My name is Harry. I am from South Vietnam, from Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City. I flew up here last night and started right to repair everything this morning to airport to meet all of you here. So meet the family, exactly, meet the family. So now we have all of you here, 14 of you, with me, 15. I'm the youngest one.
I'm the oldest one.
Okay, so this is the part of the Red River. Ông cái dịch vụ anh ở So different sound. Okay. So Mỹ it means American or America. Hot dog from America. The white color wire for cable TV. The black color one for internet, for information cable. That link.
And people. We just walk right.
Go out in the traffic.
Right. I think I should walk with those girls. Yeah.
In the city here. One more thing before we go. If you stand here, anytime, I think it's early in the morning. Jackfruit. Duck eggs with the young duck embryo in there. 10 to 12 days. So people buy and cook at home and eat it with some special sauce, and then they suck and eat the whole duck.
They eat it cooked though, not raw.
No, they have to cook, not raw. Okay. We like to show you what the building for happy moment. Okay? All right? Where's the rock? All right?
We need a whole building for it.
The black rock. We call the gold color that represent the royalty or the supreme power. So right there, the building constructed and opened since 1901. The colonial office for the French governor who in charge of Indochina. 1975, after the Vietnam War, that for another official title of the country, Socialist Republic of Vietnam. All right, so this is the place where Ho Chi Minh spent the time to the rest of his life, like his retirement. But he still recognized as the leader of the party and then of the North of Vietnam, to millions of people in North Vietnam. The song is a very popular song about Ho Chi Minh. Listen for a few seconds, you heard what the name Ho Chi Minh on it, and that's This is considered the most sacred Buddhist monument in the capital of the Kingdom of Vietnam. Because first in history that built from 1049, built from the special order of the king in the Lý dynasty that moved the capital from the south to the present day of Hanoi. It was in year 1010. 4 years ago, 5 years ago, Hanoi celebrated 1000th anniversary. Our successor of the king, he didn't have like any son, any heir. So he prayed for the Buddha harp and the Lady Buddha. We have the Lady Buddha. We call the Goddess of Mercy. So the Goddess of Mercy appear and show him this place right outside his palace to be where the shrine to dedicate to the Buddha and right, make the prayers, and then the queen can have a baby. Magically, 9 months and 10 days later. Is it correct? 9 months and 10 days?
9 months. We say 9 months, but maybe here it's 10 days.
Yeah, Vietnamese we had it 10 days just for sure, okay? 9 months and 10 days, the queen gave birth to the prince, the son. The king very happy, you know. Oh wow, look at the group of the Hill tribe people. Look at them, look at their uniform, look at their dress. Xin chào, xin chào. Yeah, you can take the picture. Maybe they don't understand Vietnamese much. Người Mường, okay. So they look more like Mường. Mường, not Mong. Mường. And here, you see that, the sign they leaning up from the step. Mean in English, no, long live Socialist Republic of Vietnam.